Did you know that Hippocrates had once mentioned, "Let food be thy medicine, let medicine be thy food," and there was truth in every word of this statement. When food of its natural state enters into your body, it does have the healing power. It does have the potential of self-healing your own body, and it is this healing power that is natural, which your body understands at most best. So why is food so important? Food is the one that gives you nutrition. It is this food that is not just to fill your tummy and give you energy, but it is this food that is not just your calories. It is this food that sends information to the DNA of your body for the DNA to process and understand what to do with your body next. So if you want to heal your body, if you want to repair your DNA, then your food needs to be of prime importance in the natural way, in its most wholesome way. Today we are going to speak about one particular vegetable and connect it to the immense power of self-healing into this body. This vegetable that we are going to speak about today is called a carrot, a humble carrot that is available all around the season. Whether it is your orange carrot or your red carrot, whichever is the seasonal best available in your region. What is important to consume carrots? You can have it in the juiced form, you can have it in the steamed form, you can have it in the form of a soup, or just raw carrots in the form of a salad. Whatever suits you. But more important, to understand that it is this vegetable, it is this carrot that has the healing properties in any diseased condition. Let's go through this one by one. So if a person is going through a chemotherapy, a carrot can help him. If a person is having a liver cirrhosis or any liver disorder, a carrot can help him. If a person has a blood pressure, then this carrot can help you. If a person is overtly stressed, then this carrot can be helpful. If you are a diabetic, carrots can help you. If you want to help your eyes, then a carrot can help you. If you want to repair your DNA and reduce the DNA damage or prevent the DNA damage, then a carrot can help you. If you simply want to improve your immune system, a carrot can help you. Let's see how. Now, usually, I'm not a very big fan of fruit juices. Why so? Because when you have fruit juices, you automatically have it without the fiber. When you juice it, the vitamins are denatured and you are consuming something that is directly contributing to a high sugar. Right now, we do not want to discard the fiber, and hence I am a big fan of vegetable juices. So when you consume your vegetable juices, which give you fiber and it gives you antioxidants and it gives you the nutrients in the most absorbable form, then that is one way in which the healing inside your body or the repair inside your body starts. Let's understand that plants and vegetables have cellulose. It's very difficult to break it. If you are somebody who chews well, then it is all right. But in today's world, you hardly find people who chew well, who have the time to chew well, like 32 times inside your mouth, or even make sure that it is nicely mashed up and juicy inside your mouth before you swallow. Do any of us do that? Oh no, today's lifestyle does not permit us the kind of time to be able to do this. Or unfortunately, we have stopped paying attention to our own food, which is going inside your body to heal you, and hence this chewing process has gradually reduced. When that is reduced and you yet want the benefits of vegetables, then juicing is not a bad option. Whenever somebody asks you to have a juice or anything that you need to consume, ask the question why. Knowledge is power, and when you know the scientific reasoning behind why and how this is going to help you, your faith in what you are consuming increases. And when your faith and your belief increases that it is going to heal you, that's when every cell of your body understands it and starts reacting accordingly. It actually starts healing you. Let's come back to our carrot juice. Did you know that carrot juice has vitamin A? Yes, it has the ability to take care of your vision. If you do not want to spoil your eyes, if you do not want to have spectacles, if you want to reduce the power of your spectacles, or if you want to prevent macular degeneration, then it is the carrots that will tremendously help you heal you. It has flavonoids. It also makes sure that your vision improves and that blurry vision or any issues with your eyes gradually start deteriorating. Carrots is one vegetable that has immense amount of fiber, probably one of the maximum. So when you give that kind of fiber into your body, it is a prebiotic and hence tremendously helps you in your gut bacteria. It helps you create the right gut health, which in turn starts healing you. It feeds your gut bacteria. It has carotenoids. Now these carotenoids can reduce bloating. It is this carrot juice that can repair a leaky gut. It is this carrot juice that can help you when you are constipated. It is this carrot juice that can help you when you have IBS, which is an irritable bowel syndrome. It is this juice of a carrot that also has antioxidants. It has B4. So anybody who is going to go for a chemotherapy or in the process of a chemotherapy, even after a chemotherapy, can be greatly benefited with the help of a carrot juice. How does it help? This carrot is extremely helpful in reducing the burden of the toxic radiation that an individual has gone through, and because of this property, the disadvantages of a chemotherapy are very well captured, very well taken care of, and a person starts healing better, easier, faster. If a person has a high BP, carrots will help him. If a person has sleep problems, not getting enough of sleep, timely sleep, then your carrots will help you. If you are highly stressed, carrots will help you reduce your stress. This reduction in stress will also indirectly take care of your high BP. It is also an excellent juice to be consumed immediately post your workout. Extremely good for rejuvenation. Did you know that it is this carrot that has a cardiovascular protective property, which means it is extremely good for your heart health? If there is any individual with a liver problem, so this person may have a jaundice, or if somebody has a malaria, or if somebody has a dengue, or a person has a fatty liver or a liver cirrhosis or any kind of liver disorder, this carrot will be extremely beneficial. It is very helpful in reducing the inflammatory markers. Did you know that today most of the women have some or the other issue when it comes to their hormonal balance? Whether it is early menarche or whether it is menopausal symptoms, whether it is high amount of estrogen dominance or whether it is painful periods, heavy periods, irregular periods, PCOS, PCOD or breast cancer or lump in your breasts or any other issue related to a female disorder, a carrot, humble carrot has the power to bring in the hormonal balance within you. It is extremely helpful in creating the estrogen balance. It is this carrot that is very diabetic friendly. Now to diabetics, you can't give them a fruit juice because of the sudden increase of sugar, but what you can give them is a juice of a carrot. One, this carrot has high fiber, so good for diabetics. This carrot also has high potassium. You eat the carrot raw or you steam it or you drink it as a juice is absolutely your choice. But it is the properties in carrot that definitely help you. It also takes care of your immune system and hence is an immune booster, and most importantly, it takes care of your DNA damage. It repairs the DNA damage. So say for example, if somebody is exposed to the environmental pollutants, if somebody has been a smoker or is a chain smoker or a continuous smoker, if somebody has a large sedentary lifestyle, which is today equated to that of smoking, or even if somebody is going through a chemotherapy, it is this carrot or the carrot juice that can actually help you repair the DNA of your body. And when that happens, you see the difference in your cells, you see the difference in your energy levels, vitality, your balance, and overall healing across all areas of your body. Remember, many a times, it is not about what you consume, but it is about whether or not you are able to absorb what you are consuming. So it is not so much about an intake as much as it is about the absorption capability of your body. So you may be consuming carrots, but what if your body is not able to absorb and assimilate the nutrients out of this carrot? In that case, you must understand that the carrot is a fat soluble vitamin, and when you consume it along with some healthy fat, it is best to get absorbed, best to get assimilated, and the nutrient value is far high. So what is this fat that you can consume with a carrot? And that fat can be your coconut oil, or it could be your olive oil, or it could be any nuts and seeds which give you the essential fatty acids, omega-3. All of this comes together to help the absorption and the assimilation of the carrot that you're consuming. So how should you consume a carrot? What is the best way? I leave it to you. Some people are most comfortable by using it as a salad. Some people are most comfortable by drinking it as a juice. Some people are most comfortable by steaming it because they cannot accept anything raw. Their gut does not permit them to do so. Some people cannot even take something lightly steamed, and hence they go for a carrot soup. Yes, when you boil it in the form of a soup, some nutrient value will be reduced, but yet there are many nutrients that can be carried forward, and this definitely helps you in healing. You may just lightly steam your carrots and then make a puree of it to be able to make a soup, and it works equally well. Let me share with you one recipe that I use in terms of creating this carrot juice. I'm fond of the simple carrot juice. So the basic ingredient is going to be carrots. Along with this carrot, if you add a little bit of dash of lemon and a little bit of ginger or a black pepper powder, it's good enough. But adding a little bit of fat in the form of coconut oil, or in the form of extra virgin olive oil, or in the form of some seeds like a pumpkin seeds, or in the form of any nuts of your choice, will definitely help you in terms of absorbing the nutrients of the carrot. Some people like to have it as carrot plus lime plus ginger. Some people like to have it as carrot plus black pepper, or maybe a little bit of lime as well. Some people like to add beet to it. Some people like to make it in the form of an ABC juice, which is apple, beetroot and carrot. Irrespective of how much of nutrition you are adding to it, the base and the highest quantity must be carrot. If you like pumpkin seeds, soak them overnight and then add it to your juices. If you like to make it a little more alkaline in nature, add some cucumber. The choice is absolutely yours. But do not miss out a single day without a carrot, especially when you are in the process of healing yourself from a diseased condition. I hope this was helpful. If you have liked the content, please like, share and subscribe and comment, because I would love to reply to each of your comment personally. Till we meet again in another video. Namaste.